Hello guys, this is Rai again and welcome to Rice Bake. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I make my keto bread. So let's get started. First, in a bowl, add your almond flour, whey protein powder, xantham gum, salt, and baking powder. If you don't have xantham gum, you can always substitute it with psyllium husk powder. This bread is high in healthy fat, low in carbohydrates, and high in protein. I always use this recipe when I'm craving for bread. Add your boiling water gradually. The boiling water will help to dissolve the mixture easily. Once the mixture is ready, don't forget to grease your pan or line a parchment paper. Roll the dough into small pieces. Make sure your hands are wet so the mixture will not stick on your hands. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. And yes, your keto bread is ready to eat. Mine, I pair it with my keto longanisa and cream cheese. You can also pair it with keto burger patty or any food that you want to pair it with. Mine, I also pair it with peanut butter with black coffee. I hope you try this keto bread recipe. This is very healthy and very easy recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell button to notify you on my new upload videos. Until next time, bye bye!